This is Jason with Intricate Coatings, your epoxy expert. In this video, I'm going to answer my top question: how to clean your epoxy floor. I'm only going to be using things that everyone probably has in their home already. Start by sweeping out the loose dirt. You'll be using soft and mild soaps, Dawn, Fabuloso, multi-floor surface cleaners, and any regular mop. Begin by spraying large areas with your garden hose. Mop all the rest of the areas. And it's that easy. Let this dry and your floor is clean. Look for my next video where I show you how to clean an oil spill.